Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther. So in today's video I will show you how I do my makeup, everyday makeup tutorial or routine. So I hope you will enjoy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing, and let's get into the video. The first thing I use is a primer. Yeah, you need to use a primer before the foundation. So let me take my mirror. So the primer will help when you're blending in your foundation. So the primer is the first thing that I use. And guys, I've changed my makeup routine, the way I used to do my makeup. I used to start with my eyebrows, but I came to realize eyebrows take so much time and I end up not doing everything that I want. Okay, we will use my favorite foundation. I use this foundation, guys. Maybelline is Bay. I use this foundation. I love it so much because it's, first of all, it's full coverage and it's lightweight. You don't feel kicky on your face. So I won't use so much. Just like 3 drops are enough for me. I'm using this beautiful brush that I got from Dubois, yes, and this brush costed 250 shillings. So this is the brush I will use. So what I do, I just take the foundation, put it on my brush, then I start. Let me look to my mirror. So the key, guys, here is to blend. Remember, this is an everyday makeup routine, so you don't want to be crazy. You don't want to be crazy. Just something simple. I love this brush because it's short, not short. It's a bit small, and it does the job. That's why I love it. So the first thing that I do with my eyebrows is to like comb them, yeah, and then as in this comb gives them the shape. Then let's concentrate. I'll look to my mirror here, please bear with me. So first start with the down line. Like that, you see. Then we go up. So that's my eyebrows. So the next step I do is to conceal. Like, so I've done my eyebrows. It's not a must you shape, you clean on top. You can decide to leave it. So the next thing is my eyeshadow. Okay, so after I blend, I will use this beautiful eyeshadow from this company, Natural. I love this eyeshadow because all of these are nudes. This eyeshadow palette, I got it from H&M Beauty. They are located in Behi Towers, 3rd floor. Go and say Esmo Fashion sent you. Very nice eyeshadow. So I'll just put the base. So I'll take my powder and I'll do the last. You need to powder your face. This is Maybelline powder, very nice. you need to extend to your neck so that it can match. So this is how we do it. It's, this powder, it's a bit dark. Like that. So guys, I'll be doing my lips, and I'm using Maybelline in the color Founder 115. So my lips are done. Now we're doing a setting spray to set the face. So I'm using still Maybelline. Okay guys, this is my final look. Hope you love it. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this look. This is how I do my everyday makeup. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly don't leave this video without subscribing, and I'll be uploading new videos every week, so you better subscribe. Until next time, bye.